My experience is in the hospitality and cleaning industry. I've been doing this for 20 years. I do have a little bit of an advantage over other franchise owners just because I've been doing it for so long. Now, the difference between doing it for so long on my own and so for this short period of time, which is 3 years with Renue, is drastic. The support that I get being a franchise owner, it is incredible. So doing it by yourself, it's, has its rewards, but definitely being a part of a family and a franchise like Renue, it helps you propel your business to different levels that on your own will be a little harder to do. The support that we get from the franchise itself, which is in Chicago, when it comes to anything administrative, which is Kim, anything that has anything to do with anything technical, a floor, a machine, we have a person, his name is Marty, and he's fantastic. He's a wealth of knowledge, and I love calling him all the time. And then you have David, who's the CEO, and David is also amazing in helping you get into hotels. He is always at the forefront, always looking for new opportunities, always looking for new partnerships that Renue can form with buying groups, with hotel groups, things like that, that on your own is almost impossible to do. I would recommend this franchise to anybody that's looking to buy into a franchise, regardless if it's in the cleaning industry or any industry. I would take this franchise over anything, honestly, and I'm not a paid actor, but I would recommend this franchise only because truly the team around us and everybody that's into Renue, which is all the franchise owners, we're all marching the same way. We're all going towards the same results. We all want the same thing, which is one, to take care of our customers, but two, we want the name Renue to be known as the leading expert in the cleaning industry when it comes to hospitality. Would I do this again? 100%. I would do it in a heartbeat. I love being part of this company. I can see the future is so bright. And again, when I did it on my own, it was good, but having the support that Renue has and the name behind it and the recognition that we have in the hospitality industry, you cannot buy that, honestly. And I would recommend this to anybody that's looking truly into growing their business and to buying into a franchise like Renue.